Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I will show you what are the Python operator precedence and their explanation. First of all, you have to know the operator precedence. So operator precedence describe the order in which operations are performed. Now go for the practical things. So first of all, parentheses have the highest precedence and need to be evaluated the first. That means first parenthesis sign is to work first. That means 6 plus 3 is 9 minus 6 plus 3 9, so is equal to 0. And the next is exponentiation has a higher precedence than subtraction and needs to be evaluated first. So we have to do the exponent in these things, then subtraction from the 100. Now the result will be published in 73. The next thing is bitwise not has higher precedence than addition and needs to be evaluated first. That means that these things has higher precedence than the addition. That means that had to do first bitwise operation, then addition to the 100. The result will be published or revealed 96. Before I have my video which have described the bitwise operators with beautifully, so hopefully you are gonna help in that video. The next portion is multiplication has higher precedence before we do these things. So 5 into or multiplication 3, then add. Also the subtraction has lower precedence than multiplication, so in that way first we have to do the multiplication, then subtract from 100. Then the bitwise right shift has a lower precedence than the subtraction. Lower precedence means these things will work after. First it will work this, then work the 8, and we need to calculate the subtraction first. Said, so 4 minus 2 is equal to 2, then the sign will work and the result will publish 2. So bitwise AND has lower and has also the lower precedence than the addition. Then first of all add these things, then the result will be here for AND cases. Then the things is bitwise XOR operations that has also a lower precedence than the addition. First we need to calculate the first addition, that means the addition, add. We have to add first, then bitwise operator will work. Then also the same things or has a lower precedence. In this way we have to do the first addition, then do the or operations. Then the like comparison has a lower precedence than addition. That means again we have to do add first, then we have to convert to is it okay or is it equal or not, then publish the result or reveal the results. So the logical not operator has a lower precedence than like operator. Then first we need to calculate the comparison first. First what? If we comparison that 5 is it double equal is 5, is it okay or not? Is it true? Then add not, that means not true, which is reveal the result false. This is the important, this is very important, and sometimes the students will get it not very well, so we have to clear the idea that what is actually talked about these things. Okay, then the AND operator has a higher precedence than OR, and we need to calculate the first expression, right? Then what we should do, we should do the first AND operations. Then we have to do the OR things before we created or we told that the AND operator has a higher precedence than OR. And the next portion and the last portion is this scenario. What should we do? We should do the addition first. 5 plus 10, which is define the 15, then 4 or 15 or 8 calculate, and the result will be revealed 4. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully this video will help you so much. Please subscribe this channel.